Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about radical equations. And we're going to solve each equation and remember to check for extraneous solutions. So, if I was given this equation, the square root of negative 45 plus 14n equals n. First step, got to square both sides. Let me show that. I'm just getting ahead of myself. The answer would be negative 45 plus 14n equals n squared. Let's bring everything over to the right-hand side, set it equal to 0. 0 equals, I'm going to add a 45 and subtract a 14n to both sides. So we have n squared minus 14n plus 45. Okay? Then we think to ourselves, what two numbers multiply to be 45 but add to be negative 14? That's 9 and 5, but both being negative. So we have 0 equals n minus 5 and n minus 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Negative 9 times negative 9 is also 45. But they also add to be negative 14. So now we can set both of them individually equal to 0. And we get n equals positive 5 and a positive 9. But our work isn't done. We need to check for our extraneous solutions. So we do our check here. Okay? And we start with n equals 5. So we're going to rewrite our equation, square root of negative 45 plus 14n equals n. I'll plug 5 in, square root of negative 45 plus 14 times 5 equals 5. Okay, right there. What's 14 times 5? 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 4 is 20. So we're looking at 70 here. So we square root of negative 45 plus 70. Negative 45 plus 70 comes out to be, 70 minus 45, looking at 25. So we're looking at 25 here. And the square root of 25 is 5. My left and right hand side are equal. Fantastic, right? So that means 5 is a true solution, but we had two bad boys here. We have to check the other one. So we go n equals 9. Let's go rewrite our equation. Negative 45 plus 14n equals n. Plug 9 in for n. Square root of negative 45 plus 14 times 9 equals 9. Okay, what's 14 times 9? Don't know that off the top of my head, so let's do some multiplication here. 14 times 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 6 carries a 3. 9 plus 3. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 3, we're looking at 12, so 126. So we have negative 45 plus 126 equals 9. What's 126 minus 45 essentially? 126 minus 45. I have a feeling it's 89, but could be wrong. 1. For 81, sorry, 81, not 89, 81, right? 12 minus 4 is 8, 81. Oh, I think 89, 81. Alright, so we have the square root here of 81 equals 9, and the square root of 81 is 9. Left and right hand side were both equal. Fantastic, confirming that 9 is a true solution. So we had no extraneous solutions in this case, and so our two answers are 5 and 9. So let's recap. We were given the square root of negative 45 plus 14n, and that equaled n. We squared both sides, and we brought everything over to one side, and we factored, getting n minus 5 times n minus 9. Knowing that with that when it's factored like that, our two answers are n equals 5 and 9. So we checked both of them. We checked the first one, plugged it in, simplified both sides. We ended up with 5 equals 5, confirming that 5 is a true solution. With 9, the same thing, confirming, not 89, I was thinking about 89. 81, ended up being square root of 81, which is 9. We substituted. We did some multiplication, subtraction. We got 9 equal to 9. Right, 9 equals 9. The left and right hand side were equal, which is great, which then confirms that we have no extraneous solutions and we have two real solutions, and those two real solutions are n equals 5 and 9.